Want to shake up your POV shots? Here's a quick tip on how to give your next project an off-kilter edge with the legendary SnorriCam. The SnorriCam, also known as a chest cam or body cam, is a film camera that's rigged directly to the body of an actor, like this. The camera faces the actor, so when they walk, their surroundings appear to move around, while the actor stays in a fixed position in the center of the frame. The SnorriCam was built by the Snorri brothers in the mid-90s for a punk music video, and was quickly adopted by the film industry to achieve a raw, claustrophobic feeling that audiences hadn't quite seen before. This technique presents an unnatural point of view because when the actor moves, the camera and the actor remain stable while the background shifts. The result is a feeling of unease and vertigo for the audience. If you want to capture a character's dizziness, whether from disorientation, injury, or fear, the SnorriCam will give your POV shot an unmatched subjectivity, so you can feel what the character is feeling. For more quick tips like this video,